Okay, real quick, everybody is talking about this Mercor AI jobs right now, but nobody is answering the one question you actually care about. Those Mercor pay. So instead of guessing, I went and I watched the people who actually did it. Look at this. That is real person's payout, not a real screenshot from an ad. A real user who put in the work. And in this video, I'm giving you the honest Mercor review from what these testers showed. No hype, no lies. And near the end, I show you the one withdrawal step people always get wrong that makes them swear the money isn't real. Don't skip that part. That is where most people quit 1 inch from the finish line. Now listen. I know exactly what you are thinking because I thought it too. You see people posting $80, $140, even $240 an hour, and your brain goes, no, this is fake. This will never work in my country. Good, keep that out. Hold on to it because I'm not here to gas you up. I went digging so you don't have to, and I'm going to show you what's actually true, what's exaggerated, and the tiny things that stop most people from ever seeing a single dollar. Mercor is one of the biggest remote AI jobs platform out there right now. So whether you are in Lagos, Nairobi, Delhi, Manila, wherever you are watching from, let's get into it. First thing, and most people get this completely wrong, which is honestly why they fail. Mercor is not a survey site. It's not one of those app paying you cents to watch ads. This is real hiring platform. Companies come here to get people to help train and test AI. And there's a whole pile of remote roles now. Writing, data, research, software, even finance and legal stuff. Look at this. Some of these roles pay small, I won't lie to you, but some of them $70, $80, over $100 an hour. Just hear me clearly. Those big numbers are usually for specialists, people with a real skill. The general role exists and plenty of people earn from them, but that is where 1,000 people are all fighting for the same seat. So don't treat this like a lottery ticket. Treat it like a real job and everything changes. Okay, but you don't care about all that. You care about one thing. Does the money actually land? So let me show you what the testers proved. This is real money from real project work. There's even a referral bonus where someone you invite gets hired, and you will see that pop up in a few of these accounts. And here is the honest part. Nobody edits in. This wasn't one magic day. Watch the dates. This was people applying consistently over months. Real money, real time. Now, here is where the fear lives. Mercor pays through Stripe, and the number one comment on every single one of this video is, but bro, Stripe doesn't work in my country. I hear it every day, and the truth about that is not what you think. I break it down in like 60 seconds. But first, the two things that decide if you ever even reach this earnings page. Real quick before that, if this is already clearing things up, do me one favor and drop your country in the comments plus the one role you are going for. I actually read them and I reply. Cool, right? Okay, back to it. So, if I've applied before and had nothing back, it's almost always one of 3 things. Number 1, you apply too late. They drop new roles all the time, sometimes dozens in one day. The people getting picked are applying in the first few days, not strolling in 2 weeks later when 1,000 people already in. So do this. Don't sort by priority, sort by newest. That is how you catch them while they are warm. Number 2, you apply for the wrong role. If it says they need people in the US, UK, Canada, and that is not you, don't waste your energy, my friend. Go find what you are actually qualified for. There says customer service, humanities, general roles that open up to way more countries. And number 3, this is the big one, your assessment. When you apply, you do an AI video interview, sometimes a small task. And here is what nobody tells you. That score doesn't just count for that one job, it follows you. They reuse it for future roles too. So if you rushed it and bumped it, go back. Go to your assessment page and retake it. Fix it once, and your next applications become basically one click. Alright, the withdrawal thing. This is the exact moment people scream scam when it really isn't. Here is what you get to understand. When a big platform like Mercor partners with Stripe, you are not running your own full Stripe business. You are just connecting an account so they can pay you. Totally different thing and way easier than people make it sound. So realistically, if Stripe works in your country directly, connect it, you are good. If it doesn't, people across Africa and other places use a bridge, a payment app that receives the payouts and forward it to your local bank. Takes a little setup, but it works. And that right there is the reason people who gave up were literally one step from getting paid. And please, no VPN tricks, no fake location. Use your real details. That is what keeps the account safe and the money actually coming. Now, let me be the honest friend in your feed for a second. This is not make $500 tonight job for real. Yes, the realistic version is set your profile properly this week, connect your LinkedIn account, do a few solid assessments and apply to fresh roles consistently. Feedback often comes faster than the 4 weeks they warn you about. Sometimes just a few days, but the real win isn't one payment, it's the skill. Learning how to do this work that pays you across many platforms for years. Not just this one. That is the part that actually moves your money. So does Mercor pay? Yeah, absolutely yes, it does. But not to people chasing luck. It pays the ones who show up early, pick the right roles, nail the assessment, and set up payment the smart way. Do those 4 things and you're already ahead of almost everybody else applying. Tap like if this finally makes sense and subscribe so you can catch the new high-paying roles the moment they drop, because on this platform, timing is everything. And once your profile is set up, the next thing you need is a LinkedIn that actually gets you paid. I broke down all things down in the next video dropping soon. Make sure to watch that next. Catch you in the next one. I'm Richey. What's going to be? Don't thank me. And you welcome.